Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an interesting coin to talk about, the Turkiye 2009 Kurus Coin. It's a fascinating piece of Turkish numismatic history, and we're going to dive into its history, design, and current value. So if you're a coin enthusiast or just curious about the world of collecting, stick around. Before we get into the value of this coin, let's explore its history. The Turkiye 50 Kurus coin was minted in 2009 as part of Turkey's modern coinage system. The coin is a reflection of the rich cultural heritage and history of this beautiful nation. Take a look at this coin. On the obverse side, you'll see the denomination 50 Kurus along with the date 2009. Above the denomination, you can spot the Turkish coat of arms, a powerful symbol of the nation's sovereignty and identity. Now let's talk about the design on the reverse side. The design features an olive branch, symbolizing peace and prosperity, and the Turkish crescent moon and star. These elements are deeply rooted in Turkish history and culture. So you might be wondering, is my 2009 50 Kurus coin worth anything? Well, the value of coins can vary depending on a few factors. The first is the coin's condition. Coins in mint condition are generally more valuable, $14,000. Additionally, the rarity of the coin plays a significant role in determining its worth. If you have a 2009 50 Kurus coin in excellent condition with minimal wear and a sharp strike, it could be more valuable to collectors. However, if it's a well-circulated coin with noticeable wear, it might not be as valuable. As of my last knowledge update in 2022, the Turkiye 2009 50 Kurus coin doesn't have a significantly high numismatic value. It's still in circulation and is considered a common coin in Turkey. However, its historical and cultural significance makes it a fascinating piece for collectors. Don't let the current market value deter you from collecting this coin though. Collecting coins is about more than just their monetary worth. It's about preserving history and culture through these beautiful pieces of metal. So there you have it, folks. The Turkiye 2009 50 Kurus coin, a small but meaningful piece of Turkish numismatic history. Whether you collect coins for their historical significance, artistic beauty, or potential future value, this coin is a worthy addition to your collection. Thanks for joining us today, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more coin-related content. Until next time, happy collecting!